Hi there, welcome to Trainual Tips and Tricks. My name is Hannah, Product Marketing Manager here at Trainual, and today we're going to be talking about setting reminders to update your policies and processes in Trainual. It is so important that you keep things up to date in Trainual because you don't want your new hires or even your seasoned employees to learn incorrect information while going through training or searching for answers. And it's equally important that you hold just one person accountable for updating each subject in your Trainual. And in order to hold somebody accountable for keeping a subject up to date, you'll first want to assign it an owner. So let's say that I pick Alyssa as the owner of this subject. She's now solely responsible for keeping it up to date. And let's say that Alyssa is in charge of a bunch of different subjects in our account. We don't want her to forget about this subject, right? So let's set a reminder for her to check on it every so often. To do this, I'll head to the subject settings by clicking this three-dot menu and hitting Edit Subject Settings. Then I'll go down to Advanced Subject Settings, and I'll click the check next to Set a Reminder to Periodically Verify Content. It'll give me options, and I can select how often I want Alyssa to check on this subject. So let's say that I want her to check on it every year. I'll select every year and click Save. That will mark the subject as verified, meaning that we've reviewed it and it's all up to date. Then a year from today, Alyssa will get a notification that she needs to review the subject again. Now I'll show you what this looks like for Alyssa. When we jump into Alyssa's account and head to that subject, we'll see that we have owner access of the subject. And when we click on the content verification button, we can see that this content will remain verified until next year when we'll be reminded to verify it again. A year from now, this content verification button will turn red and say unverified, and it'll tell us the last time the content was verified and how often it needs to be checked for accuracy. At that point, all we have to do is read through the subject, make edits as needed, and once the content looks good to go, we can mark it as verified, and this verification symbol will appear again, giving the whole team confidence that it's accurate and up to date. And that's all there is to it. Now go set some verification reminders in Trainual, and we'll see you next time.